Hi, I'm Amanda from the Williams-Sonoma Test Kitchen, and today I'm so happy to finally be cooking with a guest. This is my friend Molly. Hi, Molly.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We're here for a special reason because you're having a baby.
I'm expecting a boy in about 10 weeks.
Oh my gosh, so fun. And Molly and I work together, and I'm so excited for her. I thought it would be really fun before you have your son to teach you how to make baby food. And we have this awesome Beaba Babycook Neo, which is the only appliance actually that allows you to steam your food and puree it for your baby. Let me show you how easy this is. You just start by putting some water in this part of it, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna steam cook everything. Let me show you this. This is the steaming basket, and what I love about this too, your food is never gonna touch plastic. So we're gonna just put the peas, if you wanna help me, why don't we just pour some of those right in here? Put them all in if you'd like. Okay, so now all we're gonna do, Molly, is you press the steam button, and that's how easy it is. So we're just gonna turn it on, and we'll see some steam being formed, and then we'll give it a couple of minutes. So it's been a couple of minutes, so let's see what we think about the peas. Oh, they're perfect. Can you see how they're cooked through?
Yeah.
You still have that great color. So I'm just gonna pour these directly into the bottom of this. Okay, so the peas are in. We're just gonna put this lid back on. Puree it up. Okay, Molly, it looks good to me. Let's take a look. Oh, perfect, look at that. Your first batch of baby food.
It's nice and bright.
It is, right? So if you want to put some of that in there, what you could do is keep some in the fridge for a couple of days and you can portion it off. But then if you have anything left over, you can just put it in the freezer, and even like an ice cube tray works really well for little portions. And then what's so cool is that once you start on those things, you can start to do almost any of these things. You know, you can do salmon, potatoes, sweet potatoes, berries, bananas, kind of the sky's the limit here. To learn more about the Beaba Babycook Neo, visit us online at williamssonoma.com.